Check the camshaft sprocket for any wear. If sprocket tooth is worn out, 1/4 of a tooth or more, replace the camshaft sprocket and the timing chain as a set. Inspect the camshaft lobes for blue discoloration or pitting or scratches. If any of these is observed, replace the camshaft. Install the decompression cam into the camshaft and check its free movement. Then check the decompression system with the camshaft sprocket. Measure and check specifications of the camshaft lobe dimensions with a micrometer. First, fix the micrometer on the bench vise as shown. The specifications should be intake A, exhaust A, intake B, exhaust B, check the oil passage of the camshaft. If any obstruction is observed, then blow the passages with dry compressed air.